Hello everyone, it's Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Bang Center, and today we're going to talk about BroadBand Light. So this is a very popular procedure. We call it BBL Forever Young sometimes because this is truly a procedure that will keep your skin rejuvenated, producing more collagen, and then also by keeping those little pesky brown spots that start appearing in any small facial vessels will also improve. It will also help with rosacea and acne scarring and other situations where you have little flaws on your skin, and it will make you look flawless and beautiful. So this procedure is very good for patients who are lighter skin tone. So anywhere from skin types 1 to 3, it's great. Skin types 4, which is Asian skin, we can sometimes do this. We just have to tread very lightly and use the correct settings. We cannot use this procedure on African American or darker skin tones, however. But it is an excellent procedure, and for any skin type, don't worry, we have a solution for you to also get you beautiful, flawless skin.